Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Asylum. There's a lot that is involved when applying for asylum. First, you have to keep in mind there are two major kinds of ways to apply for asylum: affirmatively or defensively. So, for example, affirmatively is you're in the country, however you got here, whether it was through a visitor visa, a student visa, illegally, whether you were paroled, however it is, and then you submit your asylum application to USCIS. Okay? That is affirmative asylum. And that is when you take the first step, you notify immigration of the reasons why you want asylum, and then, we see what happens. The other major way is called defensive asylum, and that's when, for example, you've been in the U.S. for however long, or you enter illegally and they catch you, and they put you in removal proceedings, and they being ICE, okay, and they issue the notice to appear, and you ultimately have to go in front of the judge, and the judge asks, what are you applying for? And you tell the judge you're going to apply for asylum. It is a defense to being removed. Okay, that is defensive asylum. And so those are the two major ways of getting in the door with asylum. And then, of course, with asylum itself, there are essentially 5 major grounds that one can qualify for asylum. What everybody knows is political asylum, but there's also social group, race, nationality, gender, all the different ways that you would be able to apply if there's been sufficient persecution or if there will be persecution in the future. And the way generally it works is you go through the whole process, and ultimately if you win, then you wait 1 year to be able to apply for the green card, and your spouse and children can come as derivative asylees, and they will be able to obtain the green card as you have with your family. If your children are under 21 and you're married, only one person needs to win the asylum and meet all the qualifications. Otherwise, if you're not married, of course, it has to be separate applications. And that is a generalized overview of asylum. Okay.